In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit or reuse a prompt to create a new revision of a track from your library. If you've already generated a track and want to make changes without starting from scratch, this is a quick and efficient way to do it. You can adjust things like the lyrics, the overall style, or even the title, then generate a fresh version based on those updated settings. This is especially helpful when you like the general direction of a track, but want to refine the result and try something slightly different. To begin, go to your library and find the track you want to work with. Take a moment to make sure you've selected the correct one, especially if you have several similar versions saved. Once you've opened the track, look for the More Options menu, which is shown as the three dots. Tap that menu to see the available actions for that track. From the menu, choose Edit or Reuse Prompt. This option lets you reopen the original setup behind the track so you can make changes without rebuilding everything manually. When the prompt opens, review the existing details carefully. Depending on what you want to improve, you can update the lyrics, change the style, or revise the title. If you're editing lyrics, try to keep the wording clear and consistent with the mood you want. If you're changing the style, think about how that might affect the energy, tone, or genre of the track. And if you're updating the title, make sure it still matches the overall feel of the song. After you've made your changes, the final step is to generate a new revision using those modified settings. This creates a fresh version of the track while building on the original prompt. It's a great way to experiment and compare results, especially if you're testing small creative adjustments. If the first revision isn't exactly what you want, you can repeat the process and continue refining until you get closer to the outcome you're aiming for. That's all it takes to edit or reuse a prompt and generate a new revision from a track in your library. Once you get comfortable with this workflow, it becomes a simple way to improve your tracks faster while keeping your creative process organized.